Inside these massive factories, millions of tons of sugar are produced every year.
This is where the journey of sugar begins. Opon in vast sugarcane farms. Farmers check cane quality before harvest.
Watch the next bundle coming in.
Okay, bring it closer to the front.
Sugarcane. Freshly harvested cane is quickly transported to the mill. Inspection ensures quality and cleanliness. The processing journey begins on the conveyor line. Cane is thoroughly washed to remove dirt. Crushing machines squeeze out the sweet juice. The extracted juice is collected for purification. Impurities float to the surface and are removed. Evaporators remove excess water to thicken the juice. Seed crystals help form sugar grains. The mixture of crystals and molasses moves to centrifuges. Sugar is cooled and graded. Sugar is cooled and graded. Further refining makes the sugar perfectly white.
Packed sugar is arranged for transport.
Sugar is delivered to markets worldwide.
Molasses becomes a valuable byproduct for feed and ethanol. From fields to your cup, this is the complete sugar journey.
If you enjoyed this sweet journey from sugarcane to sugar, hit subscribe for more amazing factory documentaries.